Madhu's income is rupees 12,000 per month. She pays 20% tax on monthly income above rupees 2,000 and she spends 30% of the remaining income. How much does she save annually? Now, 12,000 is her monthly income. She pays 20% tax on monthly income above 2,000. So, first of all, we have to find out how much is her income above 2,000. So, we subtract 2,000 from 12,000. That comes out to be 10,000. On this 10,000, she pays 20% tax. So, therefore, that means she pays 2,000 rupees tax in total. Now, her total income is 12,000. She is paying tax of 2,000 rupees. So that means she has 10,000 rupees remaining. Okay. Now, out of these 10,000 rupees, she is spending 30%. So she spends 30% of 10,000, that is 3,000 rupees. That means her savings are 10,000 minus 3,000, that is 7,000 per month. Now, the question asked is how much does she save annually? Therefore, we'll have to multiply this by 12 because there are 12 months. So, answer will be 84,000 she is saving annually.